Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So today we are going to continue the second part of this chapter, means the second and the final part of the chapter. We will complete this chapter in this video. Okay. So let's revise what we have studied in the last class. We have read about a farmer whose name was Lencho, and he was waiting for a good rain. Okay. Why he was waiting for a good rain? Because he wants his crops to be get harvested. Okay, that's why he was waiting for the rain. So he was standing in the field. He was looking towards the northeast clouds in the sky, and he was waiting for the rain to come. The rain comes. He was very happy. His children were very happy that now they are going to experience a good rain, and they are going to get good rainfall. Okay, and they are going to get good harvest. Okay, so the rains which was coming from the sky, the big drops were 10 cents and the small drops were 5 cents. Okay, and they were very happy. It will give them a good crop of corn. Okay, but what happened? Suddenly the weather changes and the rain changes into hailstones. Okay, so the hailstones start coming from the sky, and the whole field was covered with snow. Okay, the whole field was covered with snow. So Lencho became sad. Why Lencho became sad? Because his all crops was destroyed. उसकी पूरी की पूरी जो क्रॉप थी वो क्या हो गई थी? डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई थी. So he was very sad. Okay, now let's continue. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Now, in the heart of all those, in the heart means in the heart of all the people, means Lencho and his family, there was one hope. एक ही hope थी, and that hope was help from God. So he was thinking that God himself will come and help him. God खुद आएंगे और वो उसकी आके क्या करेंगे? मदद करेंगे. Okay, don't be so upset even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. That's what they say, no one dies of hunger. So now here Lencho, he is comforting his family. He is making his family comfortable, and he's saying don't be upset. Okay, he knows that he knows that he is facing a problem. वो एक problem face करने वाले हैं और problem हो भी रही है उनको, but वो अपनी family को क्या कर रहा है? Demotivate होने से बचा रहा है, और वो क्या बोल रहा है? Don't be so upset. ज़्यादा upset मत हो. Okay, और ऐसा लगता है कि पूरी तरीके से loss हो चुका है. ठीक है, अब कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. लेकिन वो क्या बोलता है? इस बात का हमेशा ध्यान रखो that no one dies of hunger. कोई भी भूखा नहीं मरता है. इसका मतलब क्या था? That he has an utmost faith in the God, that God is not going to keep his family hungry. उसकी फैमिली को भगवान भूखा मरने नहीं देंगे. Okay, all through the night Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. ठीक है, now concise मतलब what is the meaning of concise? An inner sense of right and wrong. He knows that what his inner feeling is saying कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है, but कहते हैं ना उसका विश्वास, उसका जो faith था भगवान के अंदर वो बहुत ज्यादा था. तो उसको ये था कि कुछ नहीं होता, कितना भी लॉस हो जाए मुझे, लेकिन एक है कोई इस दुनिया में जो मेरे को क्या करेगा? हेल्प करेगा. एंड ही वाज गॉड. जो गॉड है वही मेरी क्या करेंगे? मदद करेंगे. ओके, Lencho was an ox of a man working like an animal in the field, but still he knew how to write. He was a farmer, okay, and he was an educated farmer. He knew how to write. He was very hard working farmer. बहुत hard working था, बहुत मेहनत करता था, अपने खेतों में बहुत अच्छे से काम करता था, लेकिन उसको लिखना भी अच्छे से आता था. The following Sunday at daybreak he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. So he was writing a letter to God. तो एक संडे उसने क्या किया? एक संडे उसने वो अपने काम से ब्रेक लेके उसने एक पेपर लिया, उस पर एक लेटर लिख के, और वो लेटर किसको लिखा? गॉड को वो लेटर उसने लिखा. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes because the hailstorm. Now he wrote a letter to the God and he wrote all his problem in the letter. So what he has written, he written, if you don't help me, अगर आप मेरी हेल्प नहीं करोगे, मेरी फैमिली और मैं इस साल क्या हो जाएंगे, भूखे मर जाएंगे. ठीक है. और and how much money he needed? He needed 100 pesos. Okay. And he wrote everything. What happens? The rain came. Then after the rain, hailstorm came. And all his field got destroyed. Okay. So he written everything in the letter. He wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still troubled went to down. So we have already read that his house was the only house on the valley, on the crest of the lower hill. Okay. So he took trouble. उसने trouble किया, अपने आप को परेशान किया, और वो कहाँ तक गया, पोस्ट ऑफिस तक गया, और वो लेटर वो पोस्ट कर आया. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. So whenever we write letters and when we go and keep them in the letter box, we put the stamp. हम क्या लगाते हैं उस पे, stamp लगाते हैं. तो same उसने भी ऐसा ही किया. He went there, he placed the stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. Mailbox में डाल दिया जहाँ सारे के सारे mails collect होते हैं. One of the employees, who was a postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. अब एक एम्प्लॉय, इट इज ऑब्वियस, कोई भी होगा वो लेटर पढ़ के क्या करेगा, हंसेगा ही, उसको हंसी ही आएगी, बिकॉज द लेटर वॉज रिटन टू गॉड. एंड in his life, the postmaster, the postman, they have never seen anybody writing a letter to God, assigning letter to God. So one of the employee of the post office, postman, he was also the helper at the post office. He went to his boss, he took the letter, he showed the letter to him and told him that this letter is assigned to God. Okay. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. So he was a postman. The postman is a person who delivers letter from one house to another house, okay, from one place to another. So he has delivered so many letters in his life, but he has not seen this unusual letter in any of his life. He has never seen such kind of letter. Okay. So the postmaster, a fat, amiable, meaning of amiable is friendly and pleasant. Friendly and pleasant. जो मिलनसार जो इंसान बोलते हैं, जो हमेशा खुश मिजाज रहता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं amiable. Okay. So fellow also broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk commented, what faith, I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. तो पहले तो जो पोस्ट मास्टर है, जब वो लेटर को देखता है तो वो ही हंसने लगता है. He started laughing, but suddenly after few minutes he stopped laughing, and what he said that What faith, I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. वो बोलता है क्या विश्वास है, काश मेरे पास भी वो विश्वास होता जो उस आदमी के पास है, कि वो किसको लेटर लिख रहा है, भगवान को लेटर लिख रहा है. Starting up a correspondence with God. So in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, answer the letter. And postmaster, I have already told you that he was a friendly type of a person. So he thought to help Lencho. Okay, so to help Lencho, and he did not want him to shake his faith in the God. भगवान में विश्वास उसका तोड़ना नहीं चाहता था, तो उसने सोचा मैं क्या करूँगा, आज हेल्प करूँगा. ओके. अब उसको पता था इसको आंसर करने के लिए वो मुंह से बात नहीं कर सकता है, उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, लेंचो ने लेटर लिखा है तो उसको भी उसका जवाब कैसे देना पड़ेगा, लेटर से ही देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. अब उसने क्या किया, उसने हेल्प करने के लिए कुछ पार्ट अपनी सैलरी में से दिया, कुछ अपने कलीग से लिया, कुछ अपने फ्रेंड से लिया एज अ पार्ट ऑफ चैरिटी, और उसने ऐसे करके पैसे कलेक्ट किए. तो इतना पैसा इकट्ठा करना इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर हिम, सो ही कलेक्टेड more than half. Okay. So he wrote a letter, he kept money in it, and he assigned it as God. Means this letter is sent to Lencho by God. Okay. Now oral comprehension. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Lencho have complete faith in God. What did he do?
He write the letter God.
Yes, he wrote a letter to God. Who read the letter? The postmaster read the letter. What did the postmaster do then? Now postmaster decided to help Lencho, so he collected money from his colleagues. He gave some part of his salary and he asked his friends also in terms of charity, and then he put the money and the letter in the envelope and assigned it as God. Okay, next संडे कौन आया? लेंचो पोस्ट ऑफिस में आया. पोस्ट ऑफिस में आके ही इंक्वायर्ड अबाउट द एनी लेटर फॉर हिम. सो द postman he himself handed him the envelope, and the postmaster who was sitting in his office, he was very much satisfied. Why he was satisfied? Because he has done something good deed. उसने कुछ अच्छा किया था, कुछ अच्छा काम किया था, इसलिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा satisfied था, contentment था, full of satisfaction था, and he was looking from his office. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence. Means उसको इतना अंधविश्वास था कि मेरे को भगवान पैसे भेजेंगे ही भेजेंगे. तो वो पैसे उसको मिलते हैं, लेटर उसको मिलता है, वो बिल्कुल भी शॉक नहीं होता, सरप्राइज नहीं होता है, पर वो गुस्सा हो जाता है जब वो क्या काउंट करता है? मनी काउंट करता है. अब उसको इतना विश्वास होता है कि वो कहता है भगवान मेरी बात कभी टाल ही नहीं सकते हैं, ठीक है, और भगवान कभी मुझे जो मैंने मांगा है उससे कम दे भी नहीं सकते हैं. तो वो बोलते हैं जो मैंने मांगा है वो मुझे मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. अब what he did, he opened the envelope, और जब उसने एनवलप ओपन किया तो उसमें देखा उसने पैसे कम थे, ठीक है. अब वो क्या करता है? वो वापस से एक और लेटर लिखता है, और वो एक और लेटर लिखकर क्या करता है? वो पोस्ट करने जाता है, और उस लेटर में वो क्या लिखता है कि गॉड इस टाइम अगर आप मुझे पैसे भेजो तो मुझे डायरेक्टली भेजना, आप मुझे इन पोस्ट ऑफिस वालों के थ्रू मत भेजना. क्यों मत भेजना? बिकॉज दोज पीपल हैव मस्ट टेकन माई मनी. उन लोगों ने मेरे पैसे ले लिए होंगे. दे आर द क्रूक्स. बंच ऑफ क्रूक्स मतलब वो लोग चोर हैं और वो लोग लुटेरे हैं. क्रूक्स मतलब चोर लुटेरे. ओके. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? No, he was not surprised. Okay, because he was having an utmost faith in the God. What made him angry? He became angry because he requested for 100 pesos, but in return he got only 70 pesos. That's why he became angry, and he thought that God must have not denied his request. Somebody from the post office has taken out his money. So here your chapter is complete. So what this chapter tells you, that we should always keep faith in ourselves and rest we should leave on the God. अपने पे विश्वास रखो और बाकी सब किस पर छोड़ दो? भगवान पर छोड़ दो. बिकॉज कभी ना कभी कोई ना कोई भगवान के रूप में हमारी क्या कर सकता है? हेल्प कर सकता है. ओके, सो हियर चैप्टर इज कंप्लीट.